In today's video, I'm just going to walk you through a short-term decision in the S&P futures on a 15-minute chart, and I'll show you where it comes from. Now, recently I put out on Twitter that I had timing for a possible high, and we did actually put in a high and get at least a deeper downside correction. But now, after holding support, what we're going to do is we're going to watch to see if we clear resistance on this time frame chart that would suggest that this low could indeed be more important. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm measuring this prior rally swing, which was I believe that was 9.5 points. Okay, here we go. So that gives you a projection of resistance at this 29.27 area. Now there's also another projection that you can run from the first swing up. So if you measure this low to this high, project from the low, that gives you 29.27.5. It's essentially comparing these two swings in the same direction. Now, if you run a retracement of this smaller swing, you'll see that there's also a 786 retracement that overlaps that symmetry at this 29.27.5 area. And not only that, there is an extension of this swing that's going to overlap that same area. So we'll click on this prior high to the low, and you'll see that the 1272 extension came in at, let's call this 29.2775 or so. So bottom line, if this decline is terminating, we need to clearly rally through this resistance decision that comes in at the 29.27 to 29.27 Okay, so if we can push through that by a decent margin, then that tells me that this low is more likely more important, and we should see at least a deeper upside correction and possibly more. But on a failure to clear that same area, you have to realize that, you know, this is resistance, and if we can't take it out and it starts firing off sell triggers instead, then you do have reason to look at a short against this same key area. Okay, so this is the pivotal zone that I'll be watching. If we can continue to hold above this low and then take this out, then I've got to go for looking for the resumption of the rally instead.